Hey, have you ever tried doTERRA's top 10 pure essential oils? This is the kit that most of us get started with, and I'm going to tell you why and how I would use these in one day. Can you imagine? Okay, so this is part one in the series. First, I'm going to start with peppermint, first thing in the morning to help me feel energized and ready for the day. So yeah, I just put a little drop in my palm, breathe it in, and I'm ready to get up and get going. Next, I'm going to go into the bathroom, brush my teeth, scrape my tongue, and I'm going to use frankincense. I'm going to do a drop under my tongue, and this is for full body cellular support. So basically going to help with everything in your body. Okay, I also like to use frankincense and tea tree for my face as I'm getting ready for the day, whether that's with my toner or a moisturizer. They're both so supportive for clear skin. And tea tree is amazing just on those little spots. Yeah, just dab it right on, just like I'm showing here. Next, I'm going to go down into the kitchen and I'm going to pour myself a glass of water. First, I'm going to drop some lemon essential oil in there first, fill it up with water, swirl it around a little, and then drink it. And what this does is just kind of wakes up your digestion and your cleansing organs. It's so refreshing and such a great way to get started for the day. Make sure that you follow along so I can show you part 2 of this series and show you what I do with these other oils in one day.